Domestic violence affects the whole family immensely because regardless of whether the allegations are true or not, right off the bat, you see a clear animosity between the parties involved. To make matters worse, an order of protection will almost always be issued, and it will force the aggrieved party to move out of the house. There is often, I would say, a negative synergy for domestic violence between criminal and civil cases, which makes the whole situation a whole lot worse. In domestic violence cases, it's very often he says, she says. The courts and law enforcement have taken the stance that they rather be safe than sorry. So it's crucial to hire an experienced criminal defense attorney right away, so the prosecution cannot prove their case. A potential consequence of a conviction for a domestic violence case could be incarceration. Another potential consequence could be an order of protection. If you're charged with domestic violence, don't take any action without having consulted and hired an attorney who's very familiar with the subject matter. Another immediate action you could take is to see if there's any witnesses or to look for any other evidence like video footage. Because we handled so many different domestic violence cases, we understand the different nuances of each specialized part designed to handle these domestic violence cases. If you have been charged with domestic violence, you should seek the help of an attorney who's experienced, who knows the ins and outs of a domestic violence case, and who's ready to fight for you. During our initial case evaluation, we will be asking you a lot of detailed questions about your case so we can get a better picture of what's going on. That way, we're better equipped to handle your domestic violence case. When you hire a law firm, I will be your attorney on record and lead counsel on your case.